Mini unveils Nomadic, Countryman concepts. Mobile Sound stages for the festival-era Mini is shifting gears from rugged off-roading to high-fidelity lifestyle branding. In a unique collaboration with Austrian design studio Vagabund, the automaker has revealed two one-off concept vehicles based on the Countryman SL4. Rather than conquering mountain trails, these nomadic rigs are designed to serve as mobile sound stages for music festivals and community gatherings. A design rooted in audio aesthetics, the visual identity of these concepts moves away from traditional automotive styling and leans heavily into the aesthetics of professional audio equipment. Every design choice serves to bridge the gap between a compact SUV and a high-end speaker system. Bespoke wheels. The 20-inch wheels feature 3D printed covers designed to mimic the look of speaker hardware. Industrial roof racks. Custom racks utilize laser-cut aluminum and stainless steel mesh, echoing the texture of protective speaker grills. Visual themes. The Duo is presented in two distinct colorways: a melting silver version with beige and white accents, and a stealthier midnight black edition. The Gullwing audio experience, the most radical engineering feat, is found at the rear of the vehicles. In a complete departure from standard SUV utility, the side windows have been removed and replaced with custom outdoor loudspeaker housings. These enclosures are crafted from cast polymer granite, a material chosen specifically for its acoustic neutrality, ensuring that vibrations do not interfere with sound precision. These units also feature a unique upward hinging mechanism, creating a gullwing effect when opened. The audio setup is deeply integrated into the vehicle's architecture. Integrated hardware, tweeters and mid-range speakers are built directly into the bodywork. Enhanced bass. Additional subwoofers are positioned in the rear cargo area to provide depth. Analog nostalgia. In a nod to retro culture, the silver model includes a vintage Walkman cassette player and headphones, blending modern digital power with analog charm. Performance and capability. Despite the heavy focus on sound, the mechanical foundations remain grounded in the standard Countryman S platform. This ensures the vehicles are as functional as they are loud. Powertrain. A 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine delivering 215 HP and 360 Nm of torque. Drivetrain. A 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission paired with the all-4 all-wheel drive system. Terrain readiness. To accommodate festival grounds and uneven outdoor settings, both concepts feature a suspension lift kit for increased ground clearance. Why this matters? The rise of lifestyle automotive design. This move highlights a growing trend in the automotive industry, where brands move beyond mere transportation to become lifestyle enablers. By transforming a car into a piece of event infrastructure, Mini is targeting a specific demographic: the mobile, experience-driven consumer who views their vehicle as an extension of their social and cultural identity. While these specific builds are one-offs, they signal a shift toward highly specialized, niche vehicle configurations that prioritize community engagement and sensory experiences over traditional utility. These concept vehicles are scheduled to make their official debut at Auto China 2026 in Beijing, where they will transition from design studies to active promotional tools. Conclusion: the Mini X Vagabund collaboration redefines the compact SUV as a mobile social hub, blending high-end audio engineering with nomadic design. By turning a car into a literal soundstage, Mini is exploring how vehicles can integrate more deeply into the cultural fabric of music and outdoor events.